Welcome back to our channel IELTS Hub. First of all, I want to thank you all for giving good comments. Not good, I would say very nice comments. And I really am thankful for the subscribers, the number of views that you have given to our videos. Thank you so much for that. Even if you want to get updated or you want to stay connected, just press the bell icon where you would get notified with our future videos, where you will be able to be updated related to the IELTS examination. Thank you so much once again. Today we are going to take the topic related to writing module, writing task 2, how you can plan an essay. What are the 3 steps with which it would be very easy for you to plan an essay and write it appropriately, or I would say very effectively. So first, let's just go through the steps. The first step, second and the third, according to the time frame, I would definitely describe according to the time frame. The overall time given to complete an essay is 40 minutes. We can categorize this particular time frame in 3 parts. The one given to the first step, that is to make the framework. Making the framework is also called as note making. Note making is also called as making a design. Just make an outlay how you would be writing the paragraphs. How many paragraphs? First of all, definitely you have to write 4 paragraphs, which is mandatory, and how you would manage writing the paragraphs, that is according to the demand of the essay, the question. If it is agreement or disagreement, then you would be writing it accordingly, presenting an introduction, the more statements for the agreement. You would be describing the disagreement part as well, but the balanced way, that is the more number of sentences or the more number of supporting sentences in the second body paragraph and less number of sentences in the third body paragraph, which clearly says that you agree to the fact or you disagree to the fact, and you have to do vice versa in the way, and at the end you present conclusion. This organization is applied to each and every essay. Only the thing is, the question pattern changes and accordingly your answer pattern also changes. So first you will give 5 minutes to design your essay, and after designing your essay, immediately you will start writing or typing. It depends on the type of examination that you have booked. That is, if it is paper based, you will be writing. If it is computer based, you will be typing. You should take 30 minutes to type or to write the essay. Some, if they have very good speed in typing and writing, they do finish the essay in 20 minutes, where you will get more time in editing. This can be done, the easy writing or the speedy writing can be enabled once if you make the framework in a very good manner. The design, the outlay. The outlay is made, that is you make the note making just to make sure that you are not repeating the vocabulary. The note making will also help you in developing more number of words, that is the different synonyms, and also the proper way of presenting an essay. That is why the note making or the outlay of the essay is very important. After you complete typing and writing, you can edit, where you can give 5 minutes, maximum 5 minutes for editing. Here, if you have written paper-based exam, then you need to count the number of words. In the essay, the demanded number of words according to the question will be 250 words. But you need to write at least 270 to 80 words. It is also said that you should not go less than 250. You should not exceed 300 words. I would suggest do not exceed 290 words, but according to the examiners or the well-qualified trainers, they definitely advise not to exceed 300 words. Now, coming to the editing part, this you have made the final draft. This is the final draft where you actually will be presenting your final essay. Exactly done with the accordance of planning, designing, writing, typing, all steps taken together, and now it is a time where you present your essay. If you follow these 3 steps, it would be really easy for you to attend any type of essay, that is agree, disagree, opinion, advantages, disadvantages, problem solution, or direct essay, direct question essay. You must be knowing that there are 5 types of essays asked in the IELTS writing module, writing task 2. You should be aware of all the types of essays, and in the next video we would present all the types of essays giving one example for each. We will also help you understand the way how you need to answer each type of essay with the correct strategy or with the correct format, and it will be very effective, or you will be completely informative about how you can write the essay. I would again like to thank all the viewers for watching our video, giving good comments, and also subscribing our channel. I would again request you that if you want to keep updated yourself with different strategies of IELTS related to all the modules, you can just press the bell icon for getting notified, and also you can be updated with the future videos.